Why walking reduces cortisol levels. A detailed summary: walking is a simple yet powerful physical activity that has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Cortisol is released by the adrenal glands in response to stress and plays a key role in the fight or flight response. While short-term cortisol elevation is necessary for survival, chronic high levels can lead to health issues, including anxiety, depression, weight gain, and weakened immunity. Walking provides both physical and psychological benefits that help to counteract these effects and lower cortisol. Physical mechanisms of walking and cortisol reduction: activation of the parasympathetic nervous system. Walking, especially at a moderate pace, shifts the body from the fight or flight state, sympathetic nervous system activation, to the rest and digest state, parasympathetic nervous system activation. This shift signals the body to decrease cortisol production as the stress response subsides. Improved blood flow and oxygenation. Walking increases circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain and muscles. Better oxygenation promotes relaxation and lowers stress-related hormonal activity. Regulation of hormones. Physical activity like walking stimulates the release of endorphins and serotonin, known as feel-good hormones. These chemicals counterbalance cortisol and help improve mood and overall sense of well-being. Psychological benefits of walking: stress relief and mental clarity. Walking provides a mental break, allowing individuals to step away from stressful environments. It promotes mindfulness, especially when walking outdoors or in nature, which has been linked to lower cortisol levels. Improved mood. Studies show that walking reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression by balancing neurotransmitters in the brain. The repetitive, rhythmic motion of walking can have a meditative effect, further calming the mind. Sense of accomplishment. Setting and achieving walking goals, even small ones, can provide a sense of control and accomplishment, reducing feelings of helplessness that contribute to cortisol spikes. Environmental factors and walking's impact on cortisol. Walking in nature, green exercise, walking in natural settings, such as parks, forests, or near water, has been shown to lower cortisol more effectively than walking indoors. The presence of greenery, fresh air, and natural sounds enhances relaxation and reduces stress hormones. Exposure to sunlight. Walking outdoors increases exposure to sunlight, which boosts vitamin D levels and regulates circadian rhythms. Improved sleep patterns from regular walking and sunlight exposure contribute to lower baseline cortisol levels. Scientific evidence supporting walking's effects on cortisol. Studies on cortisol reduction. A 2011 study published in Psychoneuroendocrinology found that moderate exercise like walking significantly reduces cortisol levels in both men and women. A 2019 study showed that walking for just 20 minutes in a natural setting lowered cortisol levels by 20%. Walking and heart rate variability, HRV, a measure of the balance between stress and relaxation, improves with regular walking. Higher HRV is associated with lower cortisol and better stress management. Practical tips for using walking to reduce cortisol levels: daily walks. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate walking most days of the week. Even 10 to 15 minutes can make a difference in reducing cortisol. Walk outdoors when possible. Choose scenic routes, parks, or quiet neighborhoods to maximize the stress-relieving effects of walking. Incorporate mindfulness. Practice deep breathing or focus on your surroundings while walking to enhance the calming effects. Walk with others. Walking with friends or loved ones adds social interaction, which further reduces cortisol by fostering a sense of connection. Conclusion: walking is a highly effective and accessible way to reduce cortisol levels and manage stress. By improving physical health, enhancing mood, and promoting relaxation, walking counters the negative effects of chronic stress. Whether done alone or with others, in nature or an urban setting, regular walking can lead to long-term hormonal balance and a healthier, calmer life.